Use the question library to easily create and store questions that you can later import into a quiz. This tutorial shows the steps to populate a quiz with questions from Question Library. From the Quizzes tool, click New Quiz. When creating a quiz, in the Restrictions tab, you can make a quiz active or inactive. Set a due date, which dictates when learners are expected to have completed the material, and adjust availability detailing to determine when the quiz availability starts and ends for learners. Enter a name for your quiz. Next, add the quiz questions by importing them. Click Add Edit Questions. Then, click Import. First, select the import source. Select the questions you want to import. Next, click Add. If you are satisfied with the questions you've imported, click Done Editing Questions. You can now continue filling in the quiz properties. In the Description field, create a description for a quiz that is not yet available to users. In the Introduction field, create a message that will display to users at the start of a quiz. You can also add information or instructions to the top or bottom of the quiz page using the header and footer.
Finally, select the desired optional advanced properties. Select Allow Hints to allow users to access hints to questions. Disable right-click or control-click for Mac users prohibits users from copying or printing quiz questions. You cannot disable control-click for Mac users who use Internet Explorer or Safari. Disable Instant Messages and Alerts removes user access to the Instant Messages tool and alerts if the quiz attempt is in progress. A notification email notifies the email addresses specified in the field each time a user completes a quiz attempt.
To create the quiz, click Save and Close. Use Question Library to easily create and store questions that you can later import into a quiz.